will be stored into a variable name as a C, and it is going to print out the value of a C. The flow is going something like this one, from top to bottom. So
Yes.
first it is going to take the input, second again it is going to take the input in a B, then it is going to check out the condition A is greater than B, then it is going to print that hey, A is greater one. After this it is performing A minus B. If this condition is not true, if this condition is not true, then otherwise what you have to do, you have to print out a message that B is greater than and perform C is equal to B minus A. Okay, this is our decision making statement work. This is a very basic concept, a very basic concept.
Okay.
Okay, but it's all totally depend upon you that how much practice you are doing on, you are performing, how much practice you are performing. Okay,
Okay.
the more you will write your code by your own, the more understand you will, the more you got the point. Okay,
Okay.
now what you have to do, you have to write a code in the same way you have to take out the input. Okay, in the same way that I have taken an input from a user that hey please enter a number. Okay, you have to take out the input as a username. Okay,
Okay.
I am saying that a is equal to int of input, but you have to use that a is equal to input because I want to take your name. Okay, so
Okay.
input always take an input from a user in the string data type, in
Yes.
string data type.
Straight.
Okay, now ABC will be your string that is not converted into an integer, but if you want to get the input in the numbers, then you have to convert that into an integer. Okay, now I want to work with a number, so that I was converting this into integer data type. Otherwise this is not required. Okay,
Okay.
otherwise this is not required.
Noted.
Now, if you want to work with the characters or a string, this integer is not required.
Okay.
Okay, so let me show you another example. Let me show you another example here. That name is your input. Okay, input that hey please enter your name.
Why both video and audio is not together? Because of
It's a internet issue, I hope so. Hey, see out this code, this one, line this one, 25th, this one,
okay. Name is equal to input.
input. So it is going to take the input as a name. Okay, and what it will do, it will print out a name what I will enter. Okay, so I am executing my code. I am saying that hey, my name is Amanpreet. So here it is performing the name you have entered, that is Amanpreet. The whatever I am giving the instruction to my system, so that is providing me that is executed at this point.
Please wait.
Okay, now what is my requirement? What you have to write your own. Okay, that you have to
Okay.
take the input from the user that hey user please give me your name. Okay, if the
Okay.
name of a user is Aman, you have to make some condition, something like this. Okay, you have to make the
If we don't want
condition.
this line before this, we are writing input, please enter your name. But if we don't want this line in output, please enter your name, we directly want
You
just
can remove,
name,
you can just remove
then
out, and you this will be there. This line will be not in the output. Here you can see out.
okay.
That is for my understanding only. That is for my
Okay.
understanding. Okay, the
Okay.
convention says that you have to write your code in such a way that is not understandable to you only, but that will be also understand to the third person as well. If you are writing your code in some way that hey name is equal to input, okay, and whenever you are executing it, and here you can see out that it is asking, it is, my cursor is uh here, my cursor is here, that is it is going to take input from user. Okay, but in the actual, what it's wanting, okay, what it's want from me, either I have to enter age, name, what I want to insert. So this is for my specification that hey, I need your name here, that please enter your name here. Okay, please enter your name here. Okay, I hope you are getting my point. If
Yes, I.
you are filling a form, if you are filling a form in some way, okay,
Hmm.
you got something like this. Okay, you got something like this. Okay, something like this one. One, two,
Are you
three.
typing something?
No, no, I'm just drawing something. Four fields are there. Let us suppose four fields are there. One, two, three, four. Okay, how you got the point that what you have entered in your first field, how you got the point that you have entered something in the second and third and fourth. For the understanding, you have to enter sub label here, that hey, at this block you have to enter your name. Okay, at this block you have to enter your age. Okay, at this block you have to enter your qualification. Okay, and here at this block you have to mention your date of birth.
Yes.
Okay, so by this you get to know that you at the first block you have to enter your name, age, qualification, and date of birth. In the same way, if you are not printing the sentence at this point,
Sentence.
you didn't got the point that what you have to enter now. Okay, what you want. Okay,
Okay,
so
okay,
you
I
have to
got it.
write your so you have to write down the code which is going to take the input from user, that hey user, please enter your name. Okay, so I will enter my name, and again you have to check out the condition. If the name is Aman, then you have to print out the message that hey Aman. Otherwise, it is going to print that bye bye Aman.
Okay.
Okay, so if the name is Aman, you have to print out that hey, hi Aman. Okay, otherwise, if the name is something else, not Aman, then what you have to do, you have to print out the message that hey, bye bye Aman. In the same way, if A was greater, then I have printed a message that A is greater 1. Okay, but if A is not greater 1, that I have also printed a message that B is greater 1.
Hmm.
Okay, so if your name is Aman, then you have to enter that hey, hi Aman. Otherwise, by that whatever the name is there. Okay,
Okay.
I hope you got my point. So you have to
Yes.
perform this task and make more and more and more practice. Make more and more use more and more decision making statement by your own. Okay, this is my first requirement. You got the point
You
that what you
can
have to
help.
do in the end. So depend upon the requirement, what you have to do, you have to use again and again and again according to your requirement.
Okay.
Okay. So that is for fine now. Okay. So we'll
Yes.
meet you tomorrow. Now the thing I want to ask that 7:30 will be fine for you.
So, no.
7:30 p.m.
No, 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 no.
And if I want to shift your timing in the morning, then 6 a.m.
Morning. 6. Actually, my baby don't sleep early.
Not an
He
issue.
sleeps
Okay.
like at
Hmm.
3 a.m. So I need to sleep sometime.
Okay, okay, not an issue. So
That's why I am not
this time will be
comfortable
suitable.
with the more. Yes.
This time will be fine. Not an issue. This will
Yes.
be fine. Okay. So we'll meet you tomorrow at same time, 8 p.m. IST.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Okay, bye bye.
Okay. Bye bye.